Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to customize quick setting tiles on your latest Google Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and any other Pixel device running the Android 16 version. In the latest Android 16 version or Material UI 3, you can easily customize quick setting tiles. Here you can increase or decrease the function size, also change the brightness, color, quick setting tiles color. Let's see how it. First of all, to access the quick setting tiles, swipe down the notification twice from the screen, top of the screen to access the notification style or notification panel. Now tap on the pencil icon. Here you can see select tiles to rearrange and resize it. So just tap on it and you can create this type of your size icon on your device. So you can easily increase or decrease like this on your device. It's look amazing in this new latest quick setting tile customization. You can also increase size just like this on your device. Just tap on it and move at the top or right side to increase or decrease the size just like this on your device. So you can customize it you want on your device and it looks amazing. So here you can see how it looks. Now at the bottom you can see the list of different quick setting tile icon like connectivity, utilities, display, privacy, accessibility, home system apps. So here you need to just tap on the plus icon to add in the quick setting tiles icon or tap on the minus to remove from the quick setting tiles. So like here we tap on the cast icon and it will remove from the quick setting tiles on the device. To add it now like here we add the option dark theme. Tap on a plus icon and you can see add the dark mode here, dark theme on your device. After you can add or remove it, go back just and you can see how it looks. It looks like amazing. Just swipe down the notification and you can see how it looks different compared to other devices. Quick setting tiles. Just swipe right to access it or on your device. So if you want to change this quick setting tiles icon, you can use the color palette setting. To use this, tap on the blank space on the home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Here you can find the option colors. Tap on it. Here you can see the wallpaper colors and other colors. Select the option you want to set a quick setting tiles or other. In the wallpaper colors, icon, text and more match colors in your wallpaper. And the other colors, choose any color of your icon, clock and more. It will apply to clock on your more. So here we select the other color and select this option on my phone. This yellow type icon. Now tap on the apply icon at the top right corner and it will apply to your quick setting tiles icon or a clock icon on your device. Here you can see choose any color for your icon, clock and more. So when it apply to your icon, you can see make sure internet is working, color is the set and I swipe down the notification panel. You can see change the quick setting tile icon. So also power button icon on your device. So quite easy to change the quick setting tiles and customize it. That's it. If you like it, share it. Please hype it if you like this. Thank you for watching this.